impact nila, considering na 2 years ago po siya.
Yeah, malaking difference. Ang laki ng difference kasi ang laki siguro nung nagawa nung when they work together sa Forevermore. Kasi nung dun sa She's the One, naalala ko pa yung first shooting day of Liza and Ken. Lahat na tumatawa, wala ba akong sinasabi? Kasi si Ken arrived and then si Liza was seated sa couch. And then sabi ko, oy, kayong dalawa, mag-best friend kayo dito as in since childhood. So kailangan, yung relationship ninyo, kailangan pag close na close kayo. Tabihan mo na siya dyan, mag-usap na kayo, mamaya pa-take nyo. So yung hi, ganun pa, hiya-hiya pa, hi, so yun, usap-usap, ganun pa. So parang, parang ang polite na ganyan, tapos makikita mo in between takes ng other days, ganun lang, tatabi lang, so, kwento, ganyan. Ngayon, hoy, kayo na, makinig ka kayo sa akin, or ganun. So, there's a maganda yun kasi meron ng chemistry. And working together in a soap, parang brought that out. May natural, may working na sila, parang may rapport at work. And at the same time, nag-improve, nag-mature. Kasi, syempre, di ba, doing a soap and then being handled by a brilliant director, si Direk Cathy, talagang nahasa rin sila. So, pagdating dito, as in ang smooth. I mean, syempre meron kaming mga kailangan trabahuhin because this is different for them. But, they have grown as actors. And of course, chemistry-wise, or working together, mas may comfort, may level of comfort with each other.
Thank you po. Kay Liza naman, kasi always na lang kapag mga president, you answer with so much depth talaga lagi. At such a young age. So, tatry ko kung kaya mong, kung meron ka dito, yung, kasi, di ba yung character mo is parang makomatose yung true love. Are you the type ba, considering na wala pang boyfriend, na mag-iintay ng gano'n, na parang i-spend mo yung, binibilang mo yung araw mo, waiting for that person to wake up. Do you imagine yourself doing something like that?
Ako po. Because when he went into comatose, we were already together, we were already deeply in love. So, of course, when something bad happens to the person you love, you want to be there by him throughout all the bad times and the good times. You can't just take the good times in life, pati the bad times. And you have to be there for him when he needs you. And ako pa naman, ako yung ganun tao. Like, if the person I love is in need of help, I'm there to support and to help also.
Tapos sa inyo naman again, so far, anong reception ng fans nyo nung nakita nila? Kasi this was launched lang ng full-length na trailer last night. So far, may nakita na ba kayo mga reactions sila dun sa...
Mix, lahat ng scene actually, you can hear the reaction. Well, hindi mo maintindihan yung mga reaction nila. And that's good, that's really good. I'm really excited for it. Sila rin is super excited sila. So I just, ibig sabihin is super effective. It really hit them. So I'm excited for them to see it and for them to enjoy the movie.
So, last ka kay Gerald.
Sure.
Coming between an established love team na katulad nila, do you think na ikaw as a person, do you think na, ikaw kasi galing ka sa love team, tapos sila may love team, tapos ngayon, you were able to branch out from having a love team. Is it something ba na sa'yo better sa tingin mo na ikaw ngayon solo ka, and do you have something to advise to some katulad nila? Kasi you were like them before, di ba?
Well, at least, wala na po masyado mga corny na tanong na... Hindi, alam niyo, when I really fell in love with acting, mga naging passion ko talaga. And this was my #1 priority na gusto ko po talaga gumaling. Siguro sa dami ko na rin sinabi ni Direk kanina, ang dami ko naman nagawang projects. I think it's my 10th year anniversary na next year. So, 10 years na po ako sa show. And every day I'm thankful na dito pa na ako. May concert pa ako next. Senior star ako. Yun yung pangalan ng concert ko.
The senior star.
No, but, I played the romantic lead. I played